come with me to make sure the chickens are put away again. So we let them out to forage all day and to kind of run around, but sometimes we don't always put them away when the sun sets. So now I'm gonna make sure that they're put away. Much better. Alrighty, so all the chickens are accounted for. They're all up roosting and sleeping right now. Just collecting some eggs, making sure they're good for the night, and gonna top off their food real quick. There you go, babies. Alrighty, they got food, water. Let's get them locked up for the night. Alrighty, that's it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.